G'day and welcome to another QR360AU video, this time featuring Toronto West. Going up to 120 metres and panning 360 degrees, in field of view at the moment is Toronto High School looking east. So Toronto was named after Toronto in Ontario, Canada, in honour of Edward Hallin, who was a Canadian world champion sculler that visited Australia in 1884. In frame at the moment is Toronto High School, and it is one of three public and there are also three private schools in the area. There's Toronto High School, Toronto Primary and Birrabin Public School also in vision at the moment. There are three private schools which include Charlton Christian College, St Joseph Primary School and Toronto Adventist Primary School. To the west of Toronto are two other villages, Ryhope and Awaba, and beyond those the Watagans Mountains. The Watagans National Park was established in 1999 and covers an area of 77.51 kilometres square. Toronto was originally the site of an Aboriginal mission called Ebenezer, established in 1829 by Reverend Threelkeld. Threelkeld is reported to have begun construction of his chimney with the local blackstone, which he later realised was coal. Coal Point, just to the south, is named after this discovery. The development of several coal mines in the region, proximity to nearby city of Newcastle and its position by the lake, led to gradual development and population increases. The Ebenezer Aboriginal Mission closed in 1841. In the country of Northumberland and the parish of Awaba and the electorate of Lake Macquarie, Toronto covers an area of 9.5 square kilometres and is 28 kilometres southwest of Newcastle and 137 kilometres north of Sydney. There are 12 churches within the parish of Toronto, and Toronto is considered to be the hub for public transport for the western side of Lake Macquarie. The area is serviced privately by an operated bus service called Hunter Valley Buses, which services the areas to the west, south and north of the town. Toronto was serviced by a train service until March of 1990 when the New South Wales government closed the line because of low passenger levels. This train service has been replaced by a bus service which connects to Fassifern railway station. Toronto service centres the local community of Killabin Bay, Coal Point, Carry Bay, Rathmines and Wanji to the south, as well as Terralba, Borrigal, Wood Rising, Fennel Bay, Bolton Point, Fassifern and Blackwells Park to the north. If you would like to suggest other areas where this can take place, feel free to comment or email. Have a good afternoon.